How do you even begin to remake a legend? We're talking about an institution that's been at the heart of Fifth Avenue since 1940, with a name that means timeless luxury. After a massive, multi-year transformation, Tiffany & Company has finally reopened its doors. They didn't just update an icon, they completely reimagined it. The big question is, did they get it right? We're going inside the landmark, as it's now called, to see if the magic is still there, or if it's better than ever. Legacy and promise. For over 80 years, this was more than a store. It was a cultural touchstone, a movie set, the place where dreams were made. And while the famous facade, with its iconic Atlas clock, was lovingly restored, the inside has been totally reborn. This isn't just a facelift, it's a complete reimagining of all 10 floors, masterminded by the legendary architect Peter Marino, with a stunning new glass addition on top designed by Oma. The goal wasn't just to create a jewelry store, but a cultural destination that blends incredible art, 5-star hospitality, and, of course, those little blue boxes. The journey upwards. The second you step inside, the sheer scale of the change is stunning. The ground floor isn't just a showroom anymore, it's an experience. Video walls project huge, sweeping views of Central Park and the city skyline, almost erasing the line between inside and out. But the real adventure begins when you start to climb. At the heart of the store is this incredible spiral staircase, a winding ribbon of glass and crystal inspired by the flowing, organic designs of Elsa Peretti. It's what ties the whole place together as you move up. Each floor feels like its own little world. You pass through galleries for love and engagement, rooms dedicated to high jewelry, and curated spaces that feel more like a world-class art gallery than a place to shop. They've integrated nearly 40 pieces of art from names like Damien Hirst and Daniel Arsham, turning your visit into a full-on cultural tour. The jewel in the crown. After winding your way through floors of unbelievable jewels, you reach the 6th floor and find the real jewel in the landmark's crown, the Blue Box Cafe. This is it. This is where the fantasy of having breakfast at Tiffany's becomes a beautiful and delicious reality. But this is way more than just a movie reference. With a menu designed by Michelin-starred chef Daniel Bolid, the cafe is a destination all by itself. It's the kind of experience that makes the whole visit unforgettable, giving you a chance to actually live inside the world of Tiffany for a little while. Whether you're there for the signature breakfast or afternoon tea, it's designed to be the highlight of a perfect day in New York. The whole space is this playful, elegant fantasy, with those famous Tiffany blue boxes seemingly floating down from the ceiling. There's a whole world of luxury and design out there, and we're always looking for the next door to open. If you want to see where we're headed next, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the world's most incredible spaces. The verdict: so, after a transformation this huge, is the experience actually better? Oh, absolutely. The landmark has successfully grown from a historic store into something so much more. It has woven world-class art, incredible food, and immersive design right into its DNA. This isn't just about buying jewelry anymore. It's about feeling the brand in a way that's personal and exciting. You can watch master artisans at work in the high jewelry workshop, explore museum-quality exhibits on the upper floors, and feel the spirit of breakfast at Tiffany's woven throughout the building. The Renovation understood a key idea. Modern luxury is about the experience, not just about what you own. They managed to turn up the magic without losing the soul of the place. From the new 3-story glass jewel box that crowns the building to the restored wood floors that nod to its 1940s roots, the landmark is a beautiful conversation between the past and the future. Tiffany & Company took a precious piece of New York history and didn't just preserve it, they gave it new life. They honored the legacy of Audrey Hepburn dreaming at the window, while throwing the doors open for a new generation to step inside and write their own story. The legend wasn't just revamped, it was reborn.